Los Angeles is facing devastating fires. There are lots of efforts by the government, by the charity organizations, by the community organizations to provide relief to these people that have been affected.
Receiving people who are evacuating from all over the region, but mostly from the Palisades fire. And this is a place that folks can come.
The people who have lost their home or any valuables, they are our family, regardless of which color they are from, which religion they are from.
This recreational center is actually shelter for 300 people, and there are many there, and we will reach out to others. So we are here to support the community, the victims.
The outpouring from the community has been incredible. We have seen about 5,000 new volunteers sign up.